Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to redeem Roblox gift cards on mobile and PC. Okay, first things first, the first thing you need to do is if you are using a computer, head to roblox.com, just like you usually would do to the website. If you are using a mobile device, things are a little bit different. But don't worry. These steps apply to both Android and iOS phones. For mobile users, you'll need to use your web browser on your phone. You cannot use the Roblox app for this guide. Go to roblox.com in your browser, and once you are here, click on Continue in Browser. It might try to ask you to use the app, but just continue in the browser. So here we are. You'll then need to log in into your account. Once you are on the Roblox website, go to the URL bar. Remove the home bit after the slash, and all you need to do is replace that with redeem. Type redeem just like so. And it should look just like this. www.roblox.com/redeem and hit enter. This will take you to the redeem Roblox codes page. As you can see, it says, enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. Find your gift card, whether it's physical, and you need to scratch it off. Or if it is an email, type in the code exactly as it appears in the email or on the physical card. The code will consist of a mix of numbers and letters. Once you have entered it, hit the redeem button. And that's it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now redeem Roblox gift cards on mobile and PC. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.